Hello and welcome to the EEPROM 9 again. Deja vu, didn't we just have a video on the thermal imaging camera? Yes you did. But we wired up to that little wire in the last video the two pin headers on the board that I have been hinted at are video connectors. So we are going to investigate that with the oscilloscope. More equipment, more specifically a tele-equipment D61A. I suggest you Google that if you don't know what exact scope that is. We're going to use an absolutely dog shit probe because it was just the first one that came to hand when the hand went rummaging in the scope probe drawer. Yes, I have a scope probe drawer. That's how much we've upgraded. We are going to stick this to channel 2 triggering. No, we want it TV, DC. Oh, sorry, I just knocked the camera mount. I was going to say tripod, but it's not really a tripod. Okay, good. That is working. We're going to strip these. We got two strippers we can use. We can use my crocodile clips, or we can use the other ones. My God, we're really getting Big Clive tonight, and that is quite intentional. Because I have a sneaky suspicion emulating the way he does videos will be better, because people have often complained about not particularly good views. I'm just thinking I'm probably going to have to use a different camera. So you will connect to there, you will connect to there. You will rotate round to where I can see you. In fact, actually, we'll put it to where everyone can see you. Oh, hello, 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 hello. We got something. That is the wrong one. Hang on, hang on. Hang on, hang on. We've definitely got something there. But it doesn't look like a video signal, if I'm frankly honest. It just looks like... If I put that on 5 volt per division... Yeah, that doesn't look much like a 5 volt, that just looks like a 5 volt output, if I'm honest. That does not look like a... Oh, that's a bit disappointing. I was hoping that was going to be a video output of some sort. But no, it was not to be. But it was nice to prove it definitely. That those two pin headers are not the video output I was looking for. So that means bypassing this on-screen OSD is going to be a lot more tricky than I initially first thought, which is a shame, because it might be too tricky. We shall see how things go. But yeah, that was just a little follow-up I wanted to do. Yeah, that route, not a good route. Thanks for watching. But at least I did find a pin header thing for it. So we have that.